What's the meaning of arbiter? Arbiter. Arbiter.
Arbiter. Arbiter. The term arbiter refers to a person or entity that has the authority to make a decision or judgment in a particular situation. This authority may be granted by law, contract, or social convention. The role of an arbiter often involves resolving disputes or conflicts between individuals or groups by impartially evaluating evidence and arguments presented by both sides. Arbiters can be found in various contexts, including sports, business, and legal proceedings. In essence, arbiters are responsible for ensuring that fairness and justice are upheld in the decision-making process.